Hey guys, Cash again here with PICO Builders and Remodelers. We're in beautiful Benton, Kansas today. The guys are out back working on a composite deck we're doing. Let's go check it out and see how it's going. Before we started this project, these customers, all they had here was some steps coming down. So they just wanted to kind of not go too big, but they wanted to have somewhere to sit, hang out, enjoy the day. Here at PICO, we're all about TimberTech. TimberTech skirting, TimberTech decking, TimberTech railing. It's the best stuff on the market. That's all we use. One of the most important parts of these decks is these are called permacolumns. So you don't have to have concrete, you don't have to have anything like that. All you do is dig down to the frost line and then you put in a saucer and then the permacolumn sits on top of it. You backfill it and it's good to go. We're just gonna roll a little bit of the guys working and we'll get back to you guys whenever the final product is here. We're back on our deck job in Benton, Kansas. This is a composite deck. It's TimberTech decking brought to you by AZEK. This is all recycled, made here in the USA. It comes with a 30-year fade and stain warranty. All of this decking is capped on all four sides, so that's gonna keep out the moisture. What I mean when I'm talking about it being capped on all four sides is there's not gonna be any grooves on the bottom side of your decking. It's gonna look the same on the bottom as it does on the top. So you're gonna have 4 walls of protection. It's gonna keep down the maintenance. All you're gonna have to do is come out here maybe once a year if you want to and hose it off. We've got TimberTech railing, TimberTech decking, and it's just a really phenomenal product. Shout out to AZEK Exteriors on 25 years in business. They provide a great product. They treat their customers right, and we are so thankful for AZEK as well as TimberTech. As always, for all your home improvement needs, choose PICO Builders and Remodelers.